Okay, so we're going to make something called Oobleck, and the name Oobleck comes from a Dr. Seuss story. Now, to make Oobleck, you might have some of these ingredients at home, so you can have a go yourself. You only need 2 ingredients. One is corn flour, and the other is water. Now, you can colour your water if you want by putting a couple of drops of food colouring in. So the first thing you're going to do is measure out 2 cups of corn flour and pop it into a bowl, nice and carefully. Awesome. And then carefully you're going to add your cup of water. So you've had 2 cups of corn flour to 1 cup of water. So add the cup of water and then use a spoon to mix it together. So now you've got your mixture of corn flour and water, and it looks a bit like milk, and if you put your hands into it, it behaves like milk. It'll flow over your fingers like a liquid. Now what you need to do is try and scoop up some of the Oobleck into your hands. Okay, and now when you've got it in your hands, you're going to try and squeeze it together and make a ball out of it. So if you apply lots of pressure with your hands, you should be able to make it into a ball because you're squeezing out some of that water that's in the mixture. And then when you let go again, so if we have a look at the ball, and when you let go again, it starts behaving like a liquid now and flows out of your fingers. So why does this happen? Now, you started off with the solid cornstarch and the liquid water. And when you put them together, you made a mixture. So what happens when you squeeze it, the force you're applying pushes all the water out. And it changes what we call the viscosity. So it makes it more viscous. Now, viscous is how easy it is for something to flow. So if it's more viscous, when you squeeze it, it's hard to flow. When you let go, then the water mixes with the solid cornstarch again, and it's less viscous and is able to flow out through your hands again.